Do you know two helpers can work together? Today we will learn the double helper rule for subtraction. This rule makes subtraction easy and fast. Sometimes we want to subtract a number but our beads are already busy. So what should we do? We use two helpers together, the 10 helper and the 5 helper. They work as a team. This is called the double helper rule. Here is the double helper rule. For 9, subtract 10, add 5, subtract 4. For 8, subtract 10, add 5, subtract 3. For 7, subtract 10, add 5, subtract 2. For 6, subtract 10, add 5, subtract 1. Now let's practice this rule together. 5 plus 7 plus 2 minus 9 plus 8. Set 5 plus 7. Add 2, take 5. Add 10 plus 2 minus 9. For 9, subtract 10, add 5, subtract 4. Plus 8, add 3, take 5, add 10. Answer is 13. 4 plus 1 plus 9 minus 8 plus 5. Set 4 plus 1 for 1. 5, take 4 plus 9 for 9. Add 4, take 5. Add 10 minus 8, subtract 10, add 5, subtract 3, plus 5 for 5, take 5, add 10. Answer is 11. 3 plus 3 plus 8 minus 7 plus 3. Set 3. For 3, add 5, take 2 plus 8, add 3, take 5, add 10 minus 7, subtract 10, add 5, subtract 2 plus 3, take 7, add 10. Answer is 10. 8 plus 3 minus 6 plus 7 plus 6. First set 8, 5, 6, 7, 8 plus 3 for 3. Take 7, add 10 minus 6 for 6. Subtract 10, add 5, subtract 1 plus 7, add 2, take 5, add 10 plus 6, 5, 6. Answer is 18. See how easy that was. Now it's your turn. Solve this. 8 plus 6 minus 7 minus 4 plus 5. Write your answer in the comments. See you next time. Bye bye.